Isn't it interesting how simply living life can raise such tough questions? Anything can happen. Most of us get older. Some of us will get sick. There may be a surprising diagnosis. An accident happens out of nowhere. An unexpected illness leaves you or someone you love incapacitated. Few people like to think about this. In fact, most people don't. But here's the reality. People who don't plan ahead for aging, long-term illness, or disability often face catastrophic consequences. It happens every day. Inheritances end up in the wrong hands. Older people don't live as independently as they could. Quality of life suffers. Family assets are lost. Caregivers burn themselves out. The nursing home gets the assets. Family members can't agree on care. Squabbles turn into major rifts that can fracture families for generations. It's a lot like being in an unmoored boat in a storm. No one is in control, everyone gets tossed around, and there's always a lot of wreckage at the end. But it doesn't have to be that way for you. If you want to stay in the driver's seat of your life and live out your future on your own terms, the Flammia Elder Law Firm can help make it happen.
The Flammia Elder Law Firm isn't your ordinary elder law practice. In fact, our firm may be unlike anything you've ever experienced before. The Flammia Elder Law Firm isn't just an office full of lawyers. You'll find much more than estate planning and elder law. You'll also find care coordination and other services that make the Flammia Elder Law Firm a one-stop shop for anyone who wants to plan for their future and for anyone caring for elderly loved ones. In fact, the earlier you start working with us, the more likely you'll be able to avoid the financial, legal, and personal disasters so common among people who don't plan. For instance, if you're in good health, now is the time to create an estate plan. Everybody needs one. It doesn't matter how much money you have. Estate planning is even more important if you've been divorced, or you have disabled dependents who are counting on you for support, or if you have exes or stepchildren. This is also the time to make decisions about what kind of care you want in the event you're incapacitated and can't make those decisions yourself.
She's redoing our trust agreement. We're doing new wills. We're doing new powers of attorney for my children. It's all, I don't have to worry about it because I'm going to come in here next week and I'm going to sign all those papers, and then I can sit back and relax knowing my kids are taken care of and everything's fine. No probate, no nothing. It's all done. Thanks to her and her staff. Wonderful.
If an elderly loved one receives a diagnosis, has an accident, or comes down with an unexpected illness, the Flammia Elder Law Firm can help you get out in front of the situation. Life care planning is especially helpful in this situation because it combines estate planning, elder law, Medicaid and VA qualification, and care-related services into a convenient package, all for a single flat fee. Our clients love it. Let's say you just found out that an elderly loved one can't live safely at home anymore. You've got a crisis on your hands. The Flammia Elder Law Firm can help there too. Think of us as your ultimate elder care emergency response team, offering skillful and compassionate support during the crisis and later as your loved one's condition progresses. In fact, working with the Flammia Elder Law Firm may be the single most important step you can take to avoid the multiplier effect of costly bad decisions made at the last minute.
Well, my husband had been diagnosed with Alzheimer's, and he lived in an assisted living in the locked unit. And then we realized with his diabetes, he needed more care, and so we decided he needed to go to a nursing home and nursing care facility. And so I knew I needed an elder law attorney just to see what my options are. Medicaid, I didn't know anything about anything, and I'd heard it was a horrible road to go alone. They took care of everything. We didn't have to do, court appearances, all kinds of stuff that scares the regular human being. And she and her team just ran with it, and within a very short amount of time, weeks, less than 2 weeks, he was placed in a really, really good facility.
When you're dealing with the sensitive issues that can arise during the estate planning process or while caring for elderly loved ones, it's the little things that matter the most. The Flammia Elder Law Firm is transforming the way people throughout Central Florida plan for life's inevitable surprises.
Though the people who walk through our doors are all vastly different, they all want similar things. They want control. They want confidence. They want to keep their family together. They want peace of mind. That's what we give them, and that's what you'll get when you work with us.
Take back the wheel and feel good about your future again. The Flammia Elder Law Firm can show you how.